Hey guys, it's Snowy Matthew here, and in today's video it's going to be another tutorial video. I usually do tutorial videos around once a week because I feel like speed GFXs are a lot cooler. But let me know if you guys like these kind of videos more, if it helps you out a lot. So in today's video I got suggested from a viewer to do a wind/speed lines effect, and it's super simple. So all you're going to do is bring up whatever your GFX or render. It's just a render that I have. And you're going to want to go in the link in the description to you have to get the brush. It's a special brush that doesn't come with regular Photoshop. So you're going to want to click free download on the link in the description. And once this is downloaded, wherever it downloaded to, you can just open it up. And all you want to do is double click on this file. You can see the little icon with two lines with two circles. Just want to double click on this one. And that should take you back to Photoshop if you already have it open, or if it doesn't, just restart Photoshop, whatever you can. And so basically this is a two color brush. So you see I have in the bottom left corner, you see my two primary and secondary color. So both of them are white, so they're going to come out fully white. But if one of them is black, it's going to take the middle color. So it's going to be gray. So you can kind of use this to make gradients or find middle colors, but to use it for wind, we're just going to want to have both of them as white. So we're going to want to create a new layer, clicking this button down here, and probably change it around 300 or whatever you like. And in this scene, Aaron is falling from the sky while punching. So he's obviously going to have some wind coming or speed coming from his arm. So you're just going to want to tap around like a wind effect. And then you're going to want to go to erase and click the same brush you just used. So since this brush comes with the eraser tool and the painting tool, you won't have to change it every single time. So you just want to gently go over what you just painted, so it kind of has. And also with this brush, you do not want to click. You want to click and drag, because when you click with this brush, it can go many directions, and you see that doesn't really look like wind. So yeah, I'm just going to redo that because that was pretty trash. So just try and all go like almost the same direction because it might look kind of weird. But yeah, we got some wind on Aaron, and if you don't like it, you can just keep adding more and erasing. And then to make this look a little bit more like wind, we're going to go over to the smudge tool underneath the eraser. And whatever, you can change, I'm going to change mine to 500 because the arm's pretty big. And then you're just going to want to click and drag the wind back. You want to drag it in the way that it's going. Like if he was punching upwards, like an uppercut, then the wind would be going downward because he's punching through the wind like against gravity, but since he's going with gravity, it's gonna go up instead of down. So yeah, you kind of just need to know the scenes to make it look a little bit realistic. And yeah, so that's how you kind of add the wind effect, and you can also use it for steam for like Titans and stuff. So you can just like make some steam. I'd kind of recommend using an overlay though. You can just search them up, they're really easy. I'll probably add the link in the description for the one that I use for this GFX. This GFX is done. It'll be coming sometime next week, whenever in order, because I have a ton of GFXs that need to come out. And yeah, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, okay? I'm so grateful because in like 2 days I posted my Deku 100% GFX, and it got like, it's almost past my most viewed video with GFXs with this like 68 in a day, and I made like 7 subscribers. So yeah, thank you all for that. And yeah, so this is basically how you add the steam/wind speed lines effect in Photoshop. And yeah, so tomorrow's video is going to be a Levi one. It looks pretty sick. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy that. So like, comment, and subscribe. We're trying to get to 100 subscribers. Super special GFX coming out then. And I will see you guys in another video. See ya.